Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 1970 Plymouth GTX. This comes from my friends at Magnum Auto Restoration in LaSalle, Illinois. That's they're right next to my old hometown in Missouri, so it's nice to get work from the Midwest again. So we're gonna. This is just a single speaker. Customers requested use of the original connectors with a single speaker system, so there's not much to test, just to make sure it picks up some AM and FM stations and that you get sound. So there's no balance or fader to worry about. So let's go ahead and turn her on. And I'm just going to run her down the dial. I have it set to FM at the moment. That going to be talk or just blank? I guess it's just blank right now.
Integration agenda, any administration. Good stuff.
All liposomes together.
Hips don't lie, and I'm starting to feel you, boy. When you're sitting all
Okay, so we got a whole bunch of FM stations there. Now, on this unit, to switch between AM and FM, we just turn it off and then turn it right back on within about half a second. So, off on. Now we're on AM, and we'll just tune it to the one strong station we get in my area.
Out of this 11 million to vote for us, we're going to have, quote,
and that's our strong AM station. So let's go back to FM, off on. And just make sure that the tone control works. Quite a difference between the bass and treble there, and that's it. There's nothing else to test. It's a simple one speaker AM FM radio that you just turn it off and then right back on to switch between AM FM. There's no balance or fader functions to worry about. There's no Bluetooth activation to worry about. It's just a simple radio. Customer did request replacement of this bezel if available. They are not available. No one makes this kind of stuff. Over the years, I've seen companies come and go where they'll come out with a bezel that's really popular at the time, and well, by the time the company knows the need for that kind of bezel and can begin the manufacturing process, they're pretty much at the end of their lifespan. So you're just not going to find any cosmetic parts for these radios anywhere except on an identical unit or a similar unit that has the same dimensions and all that. But you're not going to find these parts new, and if we did have them, they'd go so fast that we'd be out of them by now anyway. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is a 1970 GTX AM radio converted to FM. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thank you to my friends at Magnum Auto for your business clear from Illinois, and thank you for watching, listening. We'll see you guys next time.